Whoa, that was not great. Okay. Alright. Ow. Walk into that one. That was too close for comfort. Not stopping the recording because that was like 10 seconds. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, I'm not used to doing the close quarters. Drone stuff. I can do real flying, but like par loops, I can do rolls and stuff, but that's not a big deal. But like loops, you're coming down hard, you're pulling hard, and if you, well, that's the problem. I go close to the edge. Maybe that's how I should do it. So I go too close to where I start. No, too close to the end of the aisle, and then do the power loop. Which is bad because if I do a good power loop, I'll power loop too close to the edge of where I'm gonna end up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So I should start the power loop here. If I come close to it, at least I have space to come back. Alright, there we go. Lesson learned. I almost smacked myself on the previous one. Well, this one, because I didn't stop the recording. And it's harder because you don't have I don't have a point of reference as to clear sky. Doesn't let me see how much of the loop have I done. Alright, we're over the 3 minutes, so that means... Wait, what? Oh. Yeah. Don't mind that one. I'm over the 3 minutes, so it did help to charge the batteries right before I start, so... But I'm guessing the cold have to do something with it? I don't know. Oh boy. A little bit of wind there. There we go.